Action.
All right. We just arrived at...
Wait, we're going to have to cut it.
Okay.
One more, you guys.
Okay.
Take 2.
We just arrived at Disney Animal Kingdom, Jambo
Lodge.
Lodge.
So
Yeah.
exciting.
They call it Jumbo, and I call it Lodge, right? It's Jambo Lodge.
Jambo House.
Jambo House.
Jambo
Everyone,
House.
welcome.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
This is one of my favorite resorts. I don't even have to go to Animal Kingdom because Animal Kingdom's right in our backyard. And we even got these safari hats.
Yeah, we got these safari hats.
So we can look stylish
We got a lot
and
of
match the
activities.
resort.
We got a lot of activities to do, a lot of food to eat. What else do we have to do?
We have a lot of activities
We
to do.
gotta meet up with Kingpin. We gotta meet up with who else?
Go to cookie decorating.
All the awesome
Yes.
cast.
Oh my
All the
goodness.
awesome cast here from Africa.
Go make some marshmallows.
Oh, some
s'mores.
Oh, s'mores! I can't wait. And then meet so many, of course. I love meeting them.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Like, look at this.
Look and look at her.
Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
Oh my Jumbo. Oh,
Jambo, how are you? Where are you from?
I'm from Namibia.
Namibia. I've been wanting to go to Namibia.
Yes,
No.
it's right here in the southwestern part. It's a very beautiful country. You should come.
I know. I heard it was gorgeous.
wait, where is it?
That's where the desert meets the ocean.
Yes.
Yes.
And it's beautiful to see. We have desert elephants.
Zebras that live in the desert, right? And the
We also
mountains.
have-
Do
yeah,
they live
it's-
over there?
Yeah, we have Hartman mountain zebras. So you will find them in the desert, and if you're lucky, you get to see the desert elephants slide down the dunes.
Oh, cool.
So we have beautiful orange-looking dunes that look
I
man-made.
want to go there.
Wow.
One day we'll go there.
That's amazing.
Where are you guys from?
We're from Florida.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, you guys look so
I know, we want to look like you. So we have like our safari hats.
Safari hats.
Yeah, but then you guys make it look sexier, you know.
Yeah, no.
No,
We
but
try,
you're
we
absolutely
try,
so
you know.
Lolly, I love. What other activities is there to do here? I
Wait,
love
what
how
are the birds about?
Well, look at our beads. Look at all these beads.
So we have all these different activities here.
Oh,
so
wait,
this
do you
is
get a bead
called
for
your,
this?
not this one, but downstairs you do. But I'll explain. So with this one, it's called our string of memories. So you get to collect all of these beads. It's for all our guests, and I also did them myself.
Nice.
Then when you're done, when you graduate, you get the Mickey totem bead, the shield. So this one's basically just to test your knowledge, how well you know our birds on our savannas.
This is one of our favorite resorts.
I love this resort. We're gonna show you giraffes, zebras, elephants, maybe Dumbo's out there.
ostriches too.
Dumbo ostriches.
All from our window. It's so much fun. We absolutely love it.
Actually, what should we do first? Should we show them the room first?
Let's show them the room.
Let's go look at the room. Come on. We're in 6206. We've had this room many times.
It's beautiful. We've seen so many animals outside of our room.
Magic
Why even go to the
band.
park?
Whoa! I got my own mirror to look at my dresses.
And all of our safari hats.
Look at our safari hats, ETT squad.
Make sure we have safari chic outfits on right
Yeah.
now.
Okay, we got.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
What do we have here? We got the bathroom, of course, and it has double sinks. I love that they have double sinks and not just one sink, because some of the Disney resorts have just one sink, right?
One sink for each twin. See,
Yeah.
it works out so well.
We're twinning. And
See,
then, of course,
Angie?
you got the bath, the
The
tub,
shower.
or the shower. And now we have
The kitchenette.
the little mini kitchenette. You got the sink.
All the coffee you can drink. Yes, I can promise I will probably go through these cups of coffee just in one day.
But wait a minute, we have the cappuccino machine out in club level. So we might not, well, we could have some in the morning.
Angie,
yes.
even with all the cappuccinos, I might also need a little extra cup of coffee too. And look at the little details over
Oh yeah,
there.
show the details. You got
They
the
even have Simba.
You got the little zebra. Where's Dumbo?
He's outside on the savannah. We have to keep an eye out for him.
And then you got your sofa,
Your little sitting area.
your little sitting area,
Your map of Africa.
your map of Africa.
It's so cool because all the different workers here are from all different places in Africa. So we can see where everyone's from.
Yeah, I love meeting the cast here, right?
The cast
You
here
have
is
a
the
one
best.
year contract, right?
Yeah.
1 year.
It's almost like going to actual Africa. I love it. Without
then-
the plane ride.
I show them. I love all the detail. Look at the closet, the wardrobe. Ta-da!
Enough to fit our safari hats, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
enough to fit a safari hats. And look, wait, all the drawers. You got all the drawers here.
All of this. So
And
much
your
space.
flat
This
screen, and
huge
then your
TV.
bed. Well, luckily you have Amy and Alicia. You sleep in that in the fold out. 2 people fit in there, and then we got our bed. And look,
A lot more than 2 right now, though.
we got,
All
we
the
got
teddy
some
bears.
Look who came! Wow, look. We got a lot of little.
We have the hyenas.
The
and
hyena, the giraffe, Simba.
More giraffes. And
A
Timon
little
and
giraffe.
Pumbaa.
I love that too.
Hakuna.
So cute. That'll be.
Hakuna Matata, my friends.
Actually, this will be part of our haul. We'll do the haul later on. We got a bunch of stuff right at the
Oh
Disney
yeah,
store
keep
downstairs.
your eye out for our haul. So much fun.
And then you have your sitting area over there.
I love this, and I'm still not over
Your
all of
workstation.
this closet space we have.
I
I tend to
know.
overpack.
And then,
look.
of course,
The outside.
the outside is the best part. Check out the outside. Where are the animals at? Where's the giraffes?
We've seen so many animals out here this morning. One of my favorite was the ostrich.
Oh, the ostrich are out here?
Yeah.
Hopefully they come out later on. Actually, I love when the giraffes sleep right
Oh,
here in the
it's right
corner.
over there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, there it is.
Do you guys see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Oh my gosh,
Way
there's a
out
giraffe.
there.
Where's the giraffe? Giraffe.
Where do you see the giraffe?
Hiding.
Hiding behind the tree, of course. We'll have to go look for them for sure. Actually, I wonder what they have over there. You see those little huts over there? I think that's a little area for the animals, right?
Oh my gosh,
I
yeah.
think so. See the distance over there?
Oh my gosh. Oh, there's another giraffe right over there. They have all these trees blocking.
And there's some birds over there, right? Some big birds.
This is amazing.
I like when they're down here sleeping right in this little section.
When
I
they're
love
down
that.
there.
I love that.
They were down there earlier this morning. I was drinking my
I like all the
looking
detail.
at the ostriches.
Amy, Alicia, the detail with the thatch
It's
roofs.
beautiful. No, I
So
love
nice.
the roof. It's like we're actually in Africa. I'm surprised the giraffes don't want to eat it. Like, that's what we were seeing the ostrich over here, and he was whistling.
He was whistling.
And I was whistling, and he was looking up at me. The ostrich was like looking up here.
Really? Oh, they were looking at you. They were staring.
Twin ostriches, twins us.
Yeah.
And you have to eat it. You should come out.
God, there's so many views out here. Right? I love. This is another view.
It's so fantastic. We love it because it's like
I love this view right here. It's so beautiful. Look, you can see all the animals from this bridge on the 5th floor here at the Jambo House.
all the animals. It's like a bird's eye view. I do love this.
I do love this,
Awesome.
right? The lobby.
Now we have a view of the lobby.
Yeah, on this side. Huh? On this side, you have the view of the lobby.
And
Look
you
how
can,
pretty.
Andrew, you can see all different kinds of artifacts from up here.
Yeah, artifacts. How about the lights? I love
I
the lights
love
over
the
here.
lights, how they're like shields and spears.
That's what it is, right? What other details?
And look, they even have an activity going on down there that you can see.
And then you got a little area for the kids to watch cartoons, watch Mickey and Goofy and Donald.
Kids, but I can still watch that, right?
Yeah, we still watch that. I still sit in the little rocking chairs. I fit in those rocking chairs. We all fit,
We
right?
all do. I don't know if after this vacation I'll fit in the rocking chairs.
Yeah, right. Oh yeah, all the food that we eat. I don't think we're gonna fit.
know.
He's gonna do the tour of the food with us, the appetizers. You ready?
You ready? It's a little magic
You wanna
band.
hold them? Let's go.
Here we go, everyone.
Here we go. Okay, you grab the plate.
And
You
a
got-
zebra.
and a zebra.
Can I get 2 plates? One for my zebra friend, one for me.
Yes.
Is
And
that
then-
okay?
Look, they have all these dips.
Not only that, but they also have all different kinds of naan bread, an assortment of bread and crackers. So fantastic. It's like Sanaa
Yeah.
without waiting. And we even
but
have
look,
animals
you
here.
got sun-dried tomato hummus. Good, and then we move on to the cucumber salad,
goodness.
and then you got your famous
To balance it out, kettle chips.
Yeah, kettle chips, the famous kettle chips. They make them downstairs. They make those downstairs, and this is my favorite. This is your favorite part?
This is my favorite part because there's lots of goldfish crackers.
And check this out. They even have pink. Watch this. Get some.
Yogurt
Pink.
covered pretzels with my favorite color.
I wonder what flavor.
I don't know. Let's try it. Let's
Try
all try
it.
one.
You like
Raspberry?
it?
It's raspberry.
Raspberry, yummy.
It's amazing.
Well, get your treats.
Oh
Get
my
some, let's
goodness.
get some treats.
Cookies.
They got granola. Put a little bit of granola there. And then you got your jelly beans. Look at the jelly beans. All types of jelly
Cookies.
beans. And then sugar cookies and
Can I
chocolate
just take
chip
the whole
cookies.
plate? Can that be my plate? We'll switch.
And then this is a new thing. Look, they got soupy soup. What do they have this time? South African.
Chicken corn chowder.
Yummy. That sounds good.
Butternut
And then
squash
they got
soup.
butternut squash.
That's the same soup they serve at Boma.
Yep, and Sanaa. Right? They serve it at Sanaa? I think they do.
I love
Sometimes
it
they do.
because we get all the amenities of like Boma and all these restaurants at the comfort of our hotel room.
Yeah.
Can walk right
You know,
out.
why go to the park right now? But we are going to go to the park in a little bit.
Go ride some Pandora and the safari.
Yeah, I can't wait.
I don't
And
know if
Flight
we
of
can
Passage. I
bring-
can't wait. The Flight of Passage is my favorite.
I don't know if our zebra friend can come with us though.
No, he can't come.
He does not have a pass. No fast passes for zebra friend.
I think we're missing one more thing.
What are we missing? I know.
The cappuccino.
Cappuccino Nespresso cappuccino machine.
Orange Mocha Frappuccino!
Okay, so if you haven't could tell, I have really high energy right now. I've had 3 espressos.
Yeah, she's already had 3 espressos, but you know what we can
so
make?
How does it work?
It's so easy. I'm gonna choose. You can choose whatever one.
Yeah, you choose,
One, I'm
Sheldon.
gonna choose the caramel. Make sure you don't get it confused with the decaf. You don't need that. You put it right in here, and all you do is pull the lever and press cappuccino.
Press it and forget it.
See? So easy. And personally, I think it tastes better than Starbucks.
Yeah. Starbucks, move over. You have nothing compared to Nespresso.
It will give us high energy for all the extra magic hours we're gonna have.
Look, he's like, huh?
Yeah.
Huh? Look at his face, huh?
I think Andrew should get a mohawk like super friend.
Yeah, right. All 3 of us, a mohawk. And voila, you got your cappuccino. This is when he performs, right?
2,000 years later.
There are caramel brownies.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Amazing for tea time. And look, these Easter, they already have the spring colors.
All the different
Crisp
colors.
rice treats. What do they call you? Treats.
All the different colors and bright
Ooh, I wanna
pastels.
try
I
that.
love it.
I love it. And these lemon cornbreads look delicious. I want to try one of those.
I'm
look
gonna
good.
try multiple ones. Well, I think this is perfect having tea time in between lunch and dinner.
And dinner starts
know-
at 5 o'clock. Okay, so it's appetizer time. Check this out. Look at the blue cheese. I love the way they displayed it. With the- yeah. Yummy. We've had some of that. Some honeycomb. You got mustard sauce.
Look how amazing.
Seasonal chutney. And I love the way they have, what are those called? They have some cheese. The
And
Derby.
shaved ham.
Derby. What does it say? Sage cheese.
Sage cheese.
Shaved ham. And what's the other one called?
Charlesburg.
Charlesburg. It's beautiful. And look at the little,
All these
I don't know what those are called. They're
beautiful
like little
cheeses.
tiny tomatoes or little onions, right?
They're beautiful.
They're beautiful.
And all the sorted
And
bread
look
you
at
can
the sorted
eat.
bread, how pretty it looks.
I think I could eat all of this.
Yeah.
This is all going on my plate.
And then you got your hummus, coriander hummus, sun-dried tomato hummus, black olive hummus, calamari olives. I love olives.
I love olives.
And then you got your veggie section.
Carrots and green beans and even cucumbers, tomatoes. And even we have a little kids section too, which
Yeah,
I will
kids.
definitely be eating off
Yeah.
of.
And they got they got your little, everyone's favorites. Your little hot dogs.
Oh my goodness, and
my
ketchup
goodness,
and
look.
mustard. Oh. And what's that up there, Angie?
What's that? It's roasted eggplant.
Oh, that
Roasted
looks
eggplant.
delicious.
And then you even got slice of watermelon.
So light and refreshing after everything, you know?
yeah, right? Good
Sounds
for your palate.
amazing.
And then you got apples, and you got some caramel sauce. Terrence, you're the chef. What are they cooking today? What are you cooking today?
So today we're making the butter chicken with white rice as well, and the tomato soup with polenta, as well as green beans.
It looks amazing.
Thank you very much.
And look, that's where they're cooking it right here.
It smells so wonderful. What's your favorite thing to make here at Club Level?
You mean here in Burma?
Yeah.
Well, I like the African cuisine more, you know, the chakalaga, the relish for the carrots as well, very spicy and has onions as well. So that's one of my favorite dishes to cook. It comes with dried meat, which we call braai. It's a barbecue back in Africa.
Sounds good.
Yeah,
Sounds delicious.
One as well as pap as well.
A pop! We've heard of pop.
I've tried it.
It
It's
tastes
really
like
good.
kind of like our grits,
like
right?
Cornmeal?
grits.
Yeah, you can call it
Yeah.
cornmeal.
Have you tried grits here before?
Yeah, grits, yeah.
It's kinda
I think pop
cornmeal
is
a bit.
better.
Yeah.
Pop is tastier.
Yeah.
It's
much
much
better.
better than grits.
Thank you so much, Terrence.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, look at these desserts they brought us. What was
And-
the chef's name again?
Pamela.
Chef Pamela brought these for ETT Squad for all of us to enjoy.
So we have a no sugar added vanilla cheesecake. We have a gluten and vegan friendly cupcake and a coconut mango tart. All gluten friendly, all vegan friendly.
It's delicious.
Vegetarian, sorry,
Pamela-
vegetarian.
Pamela is the best. We love Pamela.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Thank you, Pamela.
You guys have a great stay at Disney.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And the blueberries and raspberries, delicious. Delish. This belongs to the Delish.
Delish.
They need to do some Delish
Yeah, you're gonna see a
merchandise.
new line of these.
Yep,
Get some jackets, some hats of them.
that'd be so cute. Let's go on a safari trek, ETT Squad.
No, let me just make it simpler for you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
make it simpler for
I
us.
work with Chimpanzee Trust in Amber Island.
Thanks for watching. Our next video will feature another cast member from Africa. Plus, we have a close-up encounter on a safari ride with Jabari, a baby giraffe who was born in front of guests at the park in January. You won't want to miss it. Love my ETT Squad.